Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is Liang here, the leader of Manikwe School. Today we're going to be doing exercise 1.1, but from a different perspective. By that, I mean, since we're going to be solving each problem in different ways, we're going to be assuming we've got student A, student B, and student C. And we've already done the problem from student A's perspective. By the way, that exercise was called exercise 1.1a. So now what we are going to be doing is to solve it from student B's perspective. So what we gotta do is to create a class, call it exercise 1.1b. Exercise 1.1b. The B here refers to student B. It's going to be exercise 1.1b. Then we add the main method. We hit finish. Bear in mind though, the problem is still the same. What we are required to do is to display the message. 3 messages, but actually it's we want to display welcome to Java, welcome to computer science, and programming is fun. But here we're gonna do it differently than we did on exercise 1.1a. So what you're gonna be doing here, we're gonna be using the combination of print len and print. By that you will see in a moment what do I mean. Or let me put a comment from this on this. I mean, this is we're gonna actually I'm gonna put what student B has done. So student B used a combination of print len and print. So here's the solution. So we first print system.out.print. We first print welcome. First print welcome to Java using print, not print len, and then we go system.out.print len in order to go to the next line. Again, we then not putting anything there. Again, we then go system.out.print welcome to computer science. For the last time, we put system.out.print len in order to go to the next line. Then we put system.out.print in order to display its system in it's system.out.print in programming is fun. So this is pretty much it. Yeah, you guys, let's run the program and see what we get. Boom, we got what we expected. So the lesson here is you can use the combination of print and print len. Thing is, print len cannot be used without putting anything inside the curly brackets, whereas on the other hand, print len can be used in that way. So the lesson again, the lesson is you can use print len and put nothing inside the curly brackets. You just use that only if you want to go to the next line. That was pretty much it, you guys. Now let's do the problem from student C's perspective. See you in the next video.